Let me know what decision should be made. If I am being an idiot, please tell me in the comments. You can be harsh. You can roast me in the comments about my decisions. That's why I'm making these videos. All right, let's buy some RAM. So I have a CPU, I have a motherboard, let's get some memory. So it says memory here on PC part picker, but that's just RAM. It's temporary storage that loads stuff in to be passed to the processor, and then the processor does some stuff and passes it back to RAM to pass to the rest of the system. All right, so let's see what Adobe itself recommends. It recommends at least 32 gigs of RAM, but can't take advantage of more than 128. That's totally fine. Our motherboard can't support more than 128 gigs anyway. So the butter zone would be 64, right? But I don't know if I necessarily need all 64 gigs to do what I do. So what I'm gonna do for the RAM is I have 4 slots available, right? I have 4 DIMM slots. I'm gonna go ahead and fill up 2 of them with 32 gigs of RAM, so a 16 gig and a 16 gig. That way, if I do need more, I can just put in more RAM, just 2 more sticks of 16 gigs each to get 64 without having to abandon the memory I bought and put new in. So 2 sticks of 16 gigs each will give me 32. Let's start shopping. So let's go ahead and raise the price so we get rid of all of that garbage that is not available. Again, guys, am I making a bad decision? Should I just go with 64 out the gate, or should I do 2 32 gig sticks so I can upgrade to 128 later? Let me know what decision should be made. If I am being an idiot, please tell me in the comments. You can be harsh. You can roast me in the comments about my decisions. That's why I'm making these videos. All right, so I like Corsair, I like G.skill, I like Kingston, I like Crucial. AMD, I don't even think makes RAM. EVGA is not bad. Glowway, I didn't even know that was a thing. Samsung, PNY is not bad. Okay, I think that's all the brands that I kind of sort of trust. Obviously, if there's brands on here like, do you know Glowway? Do you trust buying RAM from Glowway? Let me know in the comments. If you work for Glowway and you want to send me some stuff, I'll try it out. Why not? Okay, let's go down here. Ratings, I'm not too concerned about because I'm going to make educated decisions. Speed, okay. So the speed of the RAM is kind of important. It's more important for gaming than it is for video editing, but I do want to go with at least 3200 megahertz because I know that 1, my motherboard supports that, and 2, it's fast enough to be useful. I don't necessarily need to go significantly faster than that, but if it's around the same price, sure, I'll go with some faster memory. And then like we were talking about before, I'm going to go with 2 16 gig sticks. All right, let's see what we can work with here. Okay, so Trident Z, there's that same, or no, this is different. 16 cast latency, so it's a little bit lower than that $150 kit. I like that. Ooh, I like this Corsair Vengeance. 3200, so it's a little bit slower than the Trident Z, but it is RGB because it has RGB in the name. 10 nanosecond word latency, 16 cast latency. It's cheaper by about $20. I'm liking that. What else do we got? Okay, so Trident, this is the 3600 with the 18. Okay, so this is cheaper than the one above. Is this actually, let's investigate this. All right, so this review right here says it's tasteful RGB, so that is RGB up top there. It isn't just a paint on top of it. So I'm leaning towards this one. I like this one. It's fast, but the latency is a little bit higher than, let's say, this one. It's not as fast, but the latency is lower. How important is the latency? Should I go with speed over latency, or should I just be happy with what we've got? Is a, okay, so 18, 16, 3600, 32. So these 3 are kind of what I'm looking at. So $180 to $150. So a $30 difference in a $30 spread here. Which one should I get? I'm liking these right here. These 3 are looking like great choices. For me, for right now, I think I'm gonna go with this one here. It's the cheapest of the lot, but is the Corsair Vengeance. That all white look, am I gonna be happier with that all white look instead of the black and silver and the black and silver with the RGB? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, which RAM am I buying? I think I'm gonna go with the all white for, I like the faster. I'm going with this one. Going with the higher latency, but faster RAM. It's not gonna perfectly match my all white aesthetic, but it's silver and black, and it's RGB. You're pretty much just gonna see the RGB poking through, so let me know in the comments what you guys think. And next, next we're gonna get some storage. All right, that'll be the next one.